What if I told you that 2025 could be the year you build life-changing wealth, starting with just one smart move in the stock market? The stock market remains one of the most powerful tools for building long-term wealth. It has transformed ordinary individuals into millionaires, not through luck, but through smart investing, patience, and discipline. In 2025, the landscape of investing is changing rapidly, driven by technology, global economic shifts, and evolving consumer behavior. Technology continues to revolutionize industries. Artificial intelligence, automation, and blockchain are shaping the future, creating new opportunities for investors. Companies leading AI innovation, data analytics, and automation are projected to experience massive growth. Smart investors are focusing on businesses that integrate these technologies, as they will likely drive the next wave of economic expansion. Green investments are also on the rise. With the world shifting towards sustainability, renewable energy companies, electric vehicle manufacturers, and carbon-neutral corporations are gaining traction. Governments worldwide are enforcing stricter environmental policies, making green stocks a promising investment for the future. Investors who recognize this trend early can benefit from substantial long-term gains. Interest rates and central bank policies are critical factors influencing market movements. The Federal Reserve and other central banks adjust interest rates to control inflation, directly affecting stock prices. Lower interest rates generally fuel stock market growth, while higher rates can slow down economic activity. Investors need to stay informed and adapt their strategies based on these macroeconomic factors. Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns. A well-balanced portfolio includes stocks from multiple sectors, such as technology, healthcare, consumer goods, and energy. Investing in international markets further spreads risk and capitalizes on global economic growth. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, make diversification easier by allowing investors to gain exposure to a broad range of assets. Behavioral finance plays a crucial role in successful investing. Emotional decision-making often leads to losses. Fear and panic selling during market downturns can result in missed opportunities, while overconfidence can push investors into risky trades. Understanding and controlling emotions is essential for long-term success. The best investors stay calm during market fluctuations, focusing on long-term growth rather than reacting to short-term movements. Leveraging technology enhances investment strategies. Robo-advisors use artificial intelligence to provide automated portfolio management based on individual financial goals. Stock market apps offer real-time data, news updates, and analysis tools, helping investors make informed decisions. Blockchain technology is also transforming stock trading by improving security, transparency, and transaction efficiency. Successful investors understand the power of compounding. Reinvesting dividends and continuously adding to investments can significantly accelerate portfolio growth. The earlier one starts investing, the greater the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. Even small, consistent contributions can turn into substantial assets over time. Market cycles present both opportunities and challenges. Bull markets, characterized by rising stock prices, create a favorable environment for high-growth investments. Bear markets, on the other hand, can be nerve-wracking but offer great opportunities to buy quality stocks at lower prices. Recognizing these cycles and adjusting strategies accordingly is essential for maximizing returns. Many legendary investors have built fortunes through disciplined investing. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, followed the value investing approach, buying strong businesses at discounted prices and holding them for decades. His strategy emphasizes patience, thorough research, and long-term commitment.
Market-changing investments. Early investors in Tesla saw exponential growth in their portfolios. The same applies to companies driving advancements in artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and digital finance. Identifying disruptive industries and investing early can lead to life-changing financial gains. Regular portfolio monitoring is necessary to ensure investments remain aligned with financial goals. Markets evolve, industries shift, and economic conditions change. Investors should periodically review their holdings, rebalance their portfolios, and adjust their strategies as needed. Keeping a long-term perspective and avoiding knee-jerk reactions to short-term market noise is key to sustained success. Investing in the stock market requires knowledge, patience, and consistency. By staying informed, managing risks wisely, and leveraging emerging trends, anyone can build long-term wealth. The future of investing is bright, and those who prepare today will reap the rewards tomorrow. Your financial success is in your hands. Stay focused, invest smartly, and let time work in your favor.
If you're serious about building wealth through the stock market in 2025, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more expert insights, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a valuable tip.